Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. This is all about choosing your medium. And in this week, we're looking at paint. I'm talking at a ridiculous rate because there's a lot to get through and we only have 2 minutes. So here's a little bit of a decision tree around what kind of paint you want to choose when you start out. Because let's face it, it can be overwhelming. So I have 4 things for you to think about. Number 1 is drying time. So if you love oils, they take a long time to dry. We're talking hours, weeks, months sometimes, whereas acrylic, oil, watercolour and gouache dry a lot quicker. Watercolour and gouache you can speed up with a little hairdryer if you're in your studio. Number 2 is permanence and layering. So acrylic and oil are both permanent once dry. So if you paint a nice blue sky, you can put that yellow sun on top with no problem at all once they're dry. However, watercolour and gouache reactivate when wet. So you put that yellow sun on top of that and it's going to turn a little bit of a greenish hue. Might not be the effect you were after. So bear in mind even that effect on things that reactivate when wet. 3, look and feel. Are you looking for something bold, opaque, in which case you're looking at mediums like oil, acrylic, and gouache? If you want something that's wispy, soft, translucent, look to watercolour. That's where you'll find that beautiful translucent effect. And 4, portability. Are you wanting to go out and sketch all the time? In which case, gouache and watercolour are your best friend. All you need is your sketchbook, a water-filled brush, and you are set to go. You can absolutely plein air paint with oil and acrylic. It just takes a little bit more planning and a bit more setup. So there's more stuff to carry with you. And 5, I know I said 4, but I'm going to give you 5. We're nearly at 2 minutes. We're going to be over. Ugh, you know me. So 5 is commitment. Oil takes solvents, patience, practice. Acrylic is a much more beginner-friendly medium if you're looking for that kind of bold, instant paint. Watercolour, beautiful, stunning, challenging. Again, something you need to practice at a lot. Gouache, more opaque, similar feel to watercolour. You can make it a little bit more translucent. That's your beginner-friendly option there. So have a look. What's important to you? Is it time? Is it portability? Is it the look and feel? Is it the permanence? And look to which paint suits you best because it's all individual. And then have a play and a practice. I'd love to see what you do. It's now 3 minutes. Dang it. Subscribe, like, come along to some workshops and I'll see you in the academy. Talk to you next week. Bye.